So a key question we get here at Cover Glass before any decision is made is, how does your system operate? I want to show you exactly how the system operates. And just to start, we are a fully custom company. The configuration of the system has a lot of different variations based on what's going to work the very best for you as the end user. The first panel you always open will start on one or both of your extreme ends. So that means in this case, the extreme left-hand side or the extreme right-hand side. We can design the system for the panels to either open towards us, towards the inside, or towards the exterior, towards the outside. Fully custom, totally depends on how you, the end user, use your space. Whether you're entertaining, family, friends, furniture layouts, etc., should all be taken into account. When you open the first panel, that panel will open and stack at a 90-degree. In this case, we have it coming towards us to the inside. Once this panel's open, it will be locked in place with our magnetizing door stops. To account for any wind, etc., the panel will be locked in the open position, and you are now free to use the rest of the system. The next panel comes down to the end. Once this one slides down, this one will open and stack, and this panel will magnetize against the first panel. All the panels operate independently of one another. So if you just want to keep the system just like this, with two panels open, two panels closed, it's completely up to you. If you want to create little air gaps between the panels for some ventilation without having to open the entire system, it's very user-friendly to do so. If you want to slide down, the next panel comes down to the end, opens and stacks. They all take a very tight tolerance on the end, about 1 inch per panel. So it's no intrusion in terms of the width of your space. It's the most minimalistic product on the market in terms of the tightness on the side. I invite you to give us a call or schedule a showroom visit, and we'd love the opportunity to showcase more with you.